This is definitely my favorite one. Woo! With 15 ski resorts around Tahoe, it may be difficult which one to pick.
So we picked two of the best ones to experience and compare which one is more fun. First day in Tahoe, look at that snow! Guys, are you excited? Yay! Go up.
Our first resort is Northstar.
First gondola.
You guys excited?
Yay! Wow! They are so powdery.
Are you ready? Oh my God! Wow! Wow, look at this. Look how beautiful it is.
That is beautiful!
It's like in a fairy tale stories.
Yes! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh!
With over 3,000 skiable acres, 20 lifts and 100 runs, you easily can get lost here. So much powder, so much fun. Just look at these guys.
It's an epic day, I have to say. Guess what I found?
I'm just having a sunbath. All right? Hi. Hi. Thank you.
Thank you. S'mores. Yay.
How does it taste?
Like heaven. And it was snowing all night, and today is gonna be a, what do you call it?
Bluebird.
A bluebird day.
When there's blue skies. And a powder day with a lot of snow.
Alright, today's gonna be heavenly.
Day 2, heavenly.
It's gonna be a beautiful day. Wow, look at that. So I'm currently stuck right now. Came from there. And then this is what it looks like. And I have to climb that. I'm not sure how to climb it. I survived.
The view and the experience worth the effort.
The powder here is amazing. You have to see it.
Here you can find 4,800 of skiable acres,
Yay!
113 trails and 27 lifts. This is a bigger resort than Northstar.
That's right. And today is another perfect powder day. Lunch break. So their facility here, you're gonna see they serve like burgers, chicken, nuggets, fries, normal American food.
Break is over.
Back to business.
This resort stays on both states, California and Nevada, and you can cross from one state to another by boarding or skiing. The ride from California to Nevada is the most amazing. It's like in a wonderland. All these trees are covered in snow, which is blowing by the wind. It's just amazing. So which one is the best? If you're staying in Salt Lake Tahoe and you don't feel like driving, Heavenly will work better for you.
Definitely, because Heavenly is very beautiful. It's got a lot of lifts. There's so many things to cover.
Now on the other hand, the Northstar, it's a little bit of drive from Salt Lake Tahoe, but it's less crowded, and if you like the trees, you like the open, it's a better choice. As well, it's not as steep. It has lots of blues and greens. It's a very beginner-friendly resort. We really love both, but let's see what our friends have to say about it. Nastya, Northstar and Heavenly.
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know, you pick.
Northstar.
Yeah, Northstar is easier.
Northstar.
Kinda North Star.
Sorry, Heavenly, we love you, but our heart belongs to Northstar.
We would love to hear your experiences and which ski, snowboard parks you've been to here in Lake Tahoe, and we want to hear about it. So put your comments down in the section below.
And of course, after a long day of snowboarding, you need to do welcome in. It is cold outside, but it's so warm here. Let me show you something interesting.
Jump, jump.
Roll.
Oh my god! Ouch! Whoa! No!
Good night.